So a couple weeks ago I did a video about this cheap offset smoker that I modified the daylights out of. Everything from the firebox to little thermo, you know, stuff there. I put 2 thermometers on there, and you'll see why in a second. I relocated the vent box, and inside I really did some serious stuff. But I have a couple of friends of mine asked me, hey, did it work? Can you actually cook in there? So I'm giving it a whirl today with some Memphis dry rub ribs, and that comes at some risk because I really like my ribs, and if this ruins them, I'm going to be pissed off. But I have a Thermo Pro thermometer in there that's showing me 238. The 338's from another grill that's sitting next to it, but 238 degrees. It's been holding that steady for about 45 minutes, and this is why you have 2 thermometers. Okay, I look at the one here. This is about right. The Weber one on the bottom, that's telling me about 238. The one on the top is telling me it's about 265. It's a liar. I look inside. Ribs look great. There's my thermometer that tells me what the temperature really is. Ribs are looking really good. And then this offset firebox, man, it's just doing great now that I went ahead and, you know, changed the way the venting goes. And on the inside you can see everything goes through that pipe, comes up, hits this baffle, then rises up to the top. So it's working just exactly as I planned it to. So if you look at the other video and you see the different modifications that I made, the couple that would be the most significant would be changing this exhaust out right here, putting this on the firebox to keep all the air from getting in there, sealing off this top, and a couple of thermometers. If you're feeling adventurous and you want to go to the trouble of putting this air vent in there and those baffles in there, baffles are a no-brainer, but the way that that air makes it like a reverse conduction, man, it's definitely worth it. So feeling really optimistic about these ribs, and I just thought I'd share with you that the modifications on the cheap offset smoker work. This is Fire Smoked Food. If you would, please like it. Even better, please subscribe. Just as good is to share. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this.